Okay, here's a fig, I think it's Moreton Bay Fig forest setting that I'm going to be working on today. It needs a lot of work. You know, there's like no shape. I don't know if it's been repotted since we got it. I think it's one of Mum's, so one of the ones that Mum made. Some of the leaves are looking a bit dodgy. I'm going to clean some of them up, try and get some shape in here. I don't really know how. Ton of weeds, and you can see lots of aerial roots shooting all over the place, so I think it's about time I repotted it, gave them some more space. Let's see how we go. First thing I'm thinking is, depending on what the root system looks like under the soil, I might move it into this pot. Now, they look like they're the same, but if I go down to as you can see, like, it's actually got a lip before the part where the soil is actually held, so actually this pot is a bit smaller than what this outside makes it look, whereas this has a lot more space in it. So depending on what the root system looks like, there's a good chance I'm going to need to transfer it. I mean, look at it, it's escaping. So let's get to it. Alright, so it's done. And I didn't end up having to put it in a new pot. In fact, I was able to make it more dense so that the trunks are sort of forming a more tightly packed forest. And I kept the moss because I want it to be kind of like a rainforest sort of style, but you can see I've got these black pebbles around the edges, which I rescued. I think originally it had black pebbles rather than moss, and the moss just grew by itself. But I actually really like it for a rainforest kind of thing. Now, because I've been able to make it more dense, there's a possibility that in the future I could add more trees to make it really more like a forest. But yeah, and so I've straightened up some of the trunks. Yeah, that's that. Not much else to say, and Hopi's trying to get all the attention, aren't you, Hopi? Yeah. Who cares about bonsai when there's Hopi? Oh, back scratch, yeah. Alright, well, that's Mum's forest setting done, and that's all I have the energy for today. You want me to fall in a cell?